9 habits that damage your brain. Our brains are amazing organs that control everything from thinking and feeling to moving and remembering. But just like any other part of your body, your brain needs care to stay sharp and healthy. Unfortunately, there are some habits we all fall into that can actually damage our brains in the long run. So, today we're counting down the top 9 brain-damaging habits you might want to ditch. 1. Unhealthy diet. Your brain needs the right fuel to function properly, and unfortunately, that greasy burger and fries combo isn't doing it any favor. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats are linked to cognitive decline and an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. Excessive fat can clog those precious brain arteries. So, consume a brain-boosting diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. 2. Lack of sleep. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories, flushes out toxins, and strengthens neural connections. When you're sleep-deprived, these processes are disrupted, leading to problems with focus, learning, and mood. So, aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep for a brain that's firing on all cylinders. Avoid screens like phones, tablets, computers, and TVs at least 30 minutes before bed, because the blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your sleep cycle. 3. Skipping breakfast. Your brain relies on glucose from food for energy. When you skip breakfast, your blood sugar drops, making it hard to concentrate and learn. Studies show this can even affect memory over time. Breakfast is like giving your brain the fuel it needs to kickstart the day, so don't skip it. 4. Smoking. Smoking is a major culprit for overall health problems, and your brain is no exception. Smoking restricts blood flow to the brain, reducing oxygen supply and harming brain cells. This can lead to memory problems, cognitive decline, and increase the risk of stroke. Kick out this habit. It's time to prioritize your well-being and quit smoking. 5. Blasting loud music. While music can be good for the soul, listening to it at excessively loud volumes can hurt your brain mostly by affecting your ears. When you listen to loud music for a long time, it can damage the tiny hairs inside your ears that help you hear. This might make you lose some of your hearing or give you a constant ringing sound in your ears called tinnitus. Also, it can make everyday sounds seem much louder and even mess with your thinking and sleeping, causing stress and making it hard to concentrate. So, keep the volume at a safe level to protect your precious hearing and brain health. Before we continue, if you're enjoying our video so far, can you take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel? Thanks. 6. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption affects not only your liver, but also your brain. Here's how too much alcohol consumption can damage your brain. First, neurotoxicity. Alcohol is a neurotoxin, meaning it can directly damage brain cells. Prolonged heavy drinking can lead to neuronal cell death and impair neurotransmitter function, affecting communication between brain cells. Second, shrinkage of brain tissue. Drinking too much alcohol can make brain tissue smaller, particularly in areas important for memory, learning, and emotional regulation. This can make it hard to think clearly and change how you act. Third, Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. If you drink a lot for a long time, you might not get enough vitamin B1 or thiamine. This can cause a problem in your brain called Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. It can make you confused, forget things, and have trouble moving. Fourth, dementia risk. Drinking a lot for a long time can make it more likely for you to have dementia. It makes your brain not work as well, and can even lead to diseases like Alzheimer's. Fifth, alcohol withdrawal syndrome. If you suddenly stop drinking after drinking a lot for a long time, your brain might not like it. This can lead to alcohol withdrawal syndrome, characterized by symptoms such as seizures, hallucinations, and confusion, which can further damage the brain if not managed properly. So, if you drink, do so in moderation. Now, let's continue to number 7, not drinking enough water. Your brain is made up of mostly water, so staying hydrated is essential for its proper function. When you don't drink enough water, your brain cells shrink, leading to problems with focus, concentration, and even headaches. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your brain sharp and focused. 8. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting around a lot without moving much can be bad for your brain. It can make it harder for your brain to get the oxygen and nutrients it needs, which can affect how well you think. Not moving enough can also change the structure of your brain, making some parts smaller and possibly making it harder for you to remember things. Additionally, sedentary behavior disrupts the balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, impacting mood regulation and cognitive performance. Moving your body regularly is important for keeping your brain healthy and working well. 9. Isolation and lack of socializing. Humans are social creatures, and our brains crave interaction. Socializing stimulates the brain, boosts memory, and helps us learn new things. Studies show social isolation can lead to cognitive decline and even increase the risk of dementia. So reach out to your friends, engage with others, join clubs, and build strong social connections. By making some simple changes to your lifestyle, you can protect your brain and keep it sharp for years to come.